everyone. Once again, Leo here, your cruise director. Just on a special segment on our morning show today, I have Arlene. How you doing, Arlene?
I'm well, Leo. How are you?
Very good, very good. And thanks a lot for joining us on this special segment of the morning show today. You enjoying your cruise so far?
Very much.
Tell us a little bit about the history. You did the same trip with the Mariner a couple years ago, correct?
Yes, we did. We took the repositioning cruise, my husband and I, from Florida to Los Angeles. And I had already decided I was going to try to write a novel. So I used the experience of the different seaports along the way and just the whole inspiration of a cruise to begin the book.
What is this book about?
It's a novel, purely fiction, fictional cruise line, fictional cruise ship. It's partly a travel log because there is some history and geography of the seaports along the way. But it's murder, mystery, little craziness and intrigue, some romance. And
let me take the opportunity to show you the book right now. So you have like a fiction story. Like, what are the main characters for this?
Yeah, actually the protagonist, I guess you'd say, of the story is a 40-ish-year-old woman named Darcy Farthing. She's a very good-looking woman, very smart, very pragmatic, and very skeptical type of person. And when she boards the ship, she has a deep secret in her past. But she gets on the ship and, you know, she's looking forward to it, never cruised before, but immediately she begins having these very bizarre occurrences of overhearing different things, and it turns out that there appears to be some sort of a murder plot on the ship, and she unwittingly becomes involved in that.
Well, is there a particular reason why you wrote this book? What's the big motivation for you?
It's interesting because I've always wanted to write a book. All my life I've wanted to write a novel.
This is the first one?
Yes, and it wasn't until 3 years ago that I finally said, okay, I'm going to try to do this. And I said, okay, well, I should write about what I know. So what do I know? I know about working for the government, which I did for many, many years. And I know about cruising because we've taken many, many cruises with Royal Caribbean. So I kind of put all that together and came up with the rest of it is just pure imagination, and I have a hard time explaining where some of these things came from.
Will this be the first of many?
I am writing the sequel to this book right now. I'm writing...
During this cruise?
Yeah, people have probably seen me up in the Windjammer. I'm up there sometimes typing away. So I'm writing the sequel to this book, and it will be a sequel carrying on from this story. And I have a plan for a third book, which will also take place on a cruise ship, but the setting will be Australia and the South Pacific.
How they can actually find it?
You know, the book is actually for sale on the internet, on all the booksellers, Barnes & Noble, Amazon.com, any place. You can go into your local bookstore and order it from an order desk. And a lot of people will be happy to know at Amazon you can download for your Kindle. And there's an electronic book version. So there's also a website for the book, and it's just the name of the book, www.currentsdeepanddeadly.com, and that is my website where if you go there and you order a book from me, you can actually tell me who you want to have it signed to, and I'll sign it and mail it.
Yeah, if I buy a book in Brazil, you come down to Brazil just to sign it for me?
I'd love to.
Well, you know now, she had an inspiration right here on board, wrote this wonderful book, and here's the final work. Thank you very much, Arlene, and we'll be right back with the morning show.